Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock INFINIX Hot 60i without password. Okay, but before we begin, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that is a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using recovery mode and we will lose all of our data. So have that in mind. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into setup process, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it, but there's a second option and it's signing in into the Google account that we were using before the reset. If you also don't remember your Google account, you may have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. On our channel you can find a lot of videos how to perform that bypass. Okay, so let's begin. First, I'll show you that my phone is actually locked. I cannot remember the password. And what to do now? We need to power off our device, so hold power button and click on power off. Now we need to enter recovery mode, and we do it by holding power button and volume up button at the same time. So we need to hold power button and volume up button until we see INFINIX logo. When it appears, release the finger from power button but keep holding volume up and wait until recovery mode launches. So first, start by holding both buttons. Okay, now release, but keep holding volume up. Okay, just like that. To move around this menu, we use volume keys. We need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking power button. Again, select factory data reset, confirm. The process has started. Okay, data wipe complete. So select reboot system now, confirm by clicking power button, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. The next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.